Lamborghini STJ has officially sold out, so that's it, all the Huracans are gone. On to the next one. This is the new Huracan. Well, it's not a Huracan, the brand new car from Lamborghini. Problem? It's not a V10. Does that matter to the people who buy it? No. The majority of people who buy the small Lamborghini truly know absolutely nothing about cars and don't care anything about cars. So, they've gone for what people actually do care about is just the straight line speed. People since McLaren started it don't care about anything but what's the drag time on this and what's the 0 to 60. So all the new car companies just pursue that time. This car will have a twin-turbo hybrid V8. Technology is the same as the Revuelto, so it's good tech on paper, but it doesn't do anything. The electric hybridization doesn't really gain much of a boost at all. So let's just look at the engine itself. The engine itself is actually probably going to be one of the best V8s available because it's going to rev to 10,000 RPM. Now, if you don't know what that means, don't worry about it. But for everybody who does, that's going to be really good. It's really good to see it revving so high, specifically because it's a twin turbo. Twin turbos never have to rev that high, so getting 10,000 RPM out of a twin turbo V8 is very decent. Definitely better than every other supercar with their twin turbo V8s. Because they've made such a good quality engine, they've managed to get a lot of power out of it. This thing is expected to output anywhere from 800 to 900 horsepower. I would expect on paper, they'll probably say something like 850, and it's going to be putting out 870, 880 when people actually test it. That's what happens when they actually build good quality stuff. This isn't like a lot of other cars where they just rip an engine from, like, say, Mercedes, for example. Lamborghini has actually purpose-built this for their Lamborghini. This isn't some Audi V8. This is actually purpose-built for the car. What does that mean? They need to push it in as many cars as possible to make more money, but they need to keep it exclusive. So yes, it will be in the new Lamborghini, but that means as soon as this one comes out, maybe within a year, they're going to be announcing a new Audi R8 that also uses a new engine. So if you want to stand out less, for whatever reason, the Audi R8 should be coming very soon as well. As of right now, this car is called the Lamborghini 634 because they haven't released the official name yet. People are throwing around all sorts of crap names for this car, but hopefully they come up with something good. The car is due to release within a month realistically, so look out for that.